How to enable dark mode on Facebook. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Facebook application in your mobile device. If you have not installed it yet, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If it is installed, look for any available update. If it's up to date, just tap on the Open button. First step is to log in into your Facebook account. After you have logged in, tap on the three horizontal line. From here, select on the Setting Gear option. Scroll down on the Preferences until you see the option of Dark Mode. Just click on the On button. After which, as you can see, your Facebook has initiated the dark mode. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check out this next step. Head back from your Facebook application. Then, open up your phone settings. You need to scroll down and select on Apps. Head to All Apps. Search for the option of Facebook. Start off by force stopping it, heading to Storage and Cache and clear it up. Then, scroll down to navigate to System Update. You need to make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest versions of application. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.